Make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, Bose sound system, power sunroof, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, chrome mirror caps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.